The next is a set of dates which are getting extended for direct tax, some of the measures that we are taking. All pending refunds to charitable trusts and non-corporate businesses and professions, including that of proprietorship, partnership, LLP and cooperatives, shall be issued immediately. I did mention at the beginning that we have already refunded quite a lot of refunds which were either 5 lakhs or lesser to individuals who waited for their refund for a long time, and through that nearly 14 lakh people had benefited. Now we are saying that the pending refunds of all charitable trusts, non-corporate businesses, professions, proprietorships, partnerships, LLPs and cooperatives, many of whom can be very small. Many of these are in cooperative sectors, many are MSMEs, many are small partnerships. All their refunds will be given immediately, which will mean that they will get their due money, that's their money, they will get it back in their hands without any delay. Then the due date of all income tax returns for the year 2019-2020 are now being extended from 31st July 2020 and 31st October 2020 to 30th November 2020, and tax audits from 30 September 2020 is being changed to 31st October 2020. So that is a measure which will help people not to worry about how they are going to do their compliance, will they be able to file their returns or not. So that is a step which we take. And the last one, which also is a taxation related measure, is the date of assessments getting barred, because assessment time gets barred with a certain date. We are conscious of it, we have taken cognizance of it, so we are saying date of assessments getting barred as on 30th September 2020 is now being extended to 31st December 2020. So 3 months extension is being given so that date of assessment doesn't get barred as of September 2020, it can wait till December 2020. And also, those getting barred on 31st March 2021, we are saying this in advance, those getting barred as of 31st March 2021 are being extended to 30th September 2021. There are clear now, again 6 months extension for those March. We are telling that in advance. 31st March 2021, which we are getting debarred, will now be moving over to 30th September 2021. And the last point that I would want to share with you all for this evening is, we've launched this Vivad Se Vishwas scheme for making payment, and there was a component that you had to pay 10% extra if it is beyond a certain date. Now, without any additional amount which is to be paid, in total, the whole Vivad Se Vishwas scheme is getting extended up to 31st December 2020. And for this extension, no extra payment is being asked. So the entire Vivad Se Vishwas moves over to 31st December 2020.
5 लाख तक के रिफंड 14 लाख से ज्यादा लोगों को अब तक वापस कर दिए गए थे। उसके अलावा जो उससे ऊपर वाले उसकी भी प्रक्रिया शुरू, और बहुत सारे लोगों को वो भी वापस कर दिए गए हैं जो रिकॉर्ड समय के अंदर किए गए। अब इसके अलावा जो पेंडिंग रिफंड्स हैं, चाहे वो चैरिटेबल संस्थाओं के हों, ट्रस्ट के हों, या नॉन कॉर्पोरेट बिजनेस या प्रोफेशंस के हों, यानी कि प्रोप्राइटरशिप, पार्टनरशिप, एलएलपी, कोऑपरेटिव्स, इनको भी जल्द ही इनके रिफंड्स इशू कर दिए जाएंगे ताकि पैसे की कमी कहीं पर ना आए। इनकम टैक्स की रिटर्न के लिए जो ड्यू डेट थी वित्तीय वर्ष 2019-20 के लिए, उसको 31 जुलाई 2020 और 31 अक्टूबर 2020 से बढ़ाकर 30 नवंबर 2020 कर दिया जाएगा, और टैक्स ऑडिट को भी 30 सितंबर 2020 से बढ़ाकर 31 अक्टूबर 2020 कर दिया जाएगा। जहां तक डेट ऑफ असेसमेंट की बात है, यह भी वर्जित हो रही थी 30 सितंबर 2020 को। इसको भी एक्सटेंड कर दिया जाएगा 31 दिसंबर 2020 तक। और जो वर्जित हो रही थी 31 मार्च 2021 को, इसको 30 सितंबर 2021 तक बढ़ा दिया जाएगा। मैं एक बार फिर कह देता हूं, जो डेट ऑफ असेसमेंट्स जो बार हो रही थी 30 सितंबर 2020 को, उसको 31 दिसंबर 2020 तक बढ़ा दिया गया है। और जो बार हो रही थी 31 मार्च 2021 को, उसको 30 सितंबर 2021 तक बढ़ा दिया गया है। विवाद से विश्वास स्कीम बजट के समय भी हम लाए थे, लेकिन इन अभूतपूर्व परिस्थितियों के चलते इसको भी, जिनको पेमेंट करनी है, कोई अतिरिक्त पेमेंट ना किए बिना, एडिशनल अमाउंट दिए बिना, इसको 31 दिसंबर 2020 तक एक्सटेंड कर दिया गया है, ताकि आप 2020 31 दिसंबर तक पेमेंट कर सकते हैं। उसमें आपको कोई अतिरिक्त पेमेंट नहीं करनी पड़ेगी।